Going to Jason's Best Asian Market. What are we gonna get here? Donna, what do you want to get here?
In the cart or no?
No. You want to get a cart?
I need one. This is the Asian market.
Got some watermelons.
Oh.
I'm looking for long gong.
I don't know what that looks like.
Look at this. Fresh bamboo.
That was it.
How are you? Awesome. Secured them.
I want a boo-boo.
Do you know what that is? Look at this jackfruit. It's definitely not ripe. Mangoes.
Yes, come on, baby.
Oh, Yana actually seen it. You can have a Hello Kitty, but not one of those little. Yeah. No, exactly. We don't want any of that in our house. But these are Shay's favorite. Babe, do you want one of these? Babe. You want one? You have to pick your flavor. Right now it looks like dish soap.
Right now, it's in my what?
It looks like dish soap. Here's the durian. I've never gotten from here. Ooh. We've had lychee, strawberry. Oh, look at these cucumbers. They look good. I need to get some. Anytime you see fresh cucumbers, you have to get them because I know they taste amazing. If they have the prickly still on it, even better. I'm looking for bok choy. I always get bok choy. 2 for $1. Cilantro. Green onion. I love these baby eggplants. That's super cute. I am. Want to say hi? Babe, look at that. I don't know what these are. Is it? I'm the one who spoils Yana. I thought it would be Shay. What are you saying? Oh yeah, I was just saying that I'm the one who spoils Yana, and you say no for everything.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Touching stuff, I touch everything. Anything that I can touch, I will touch it. Oh, kids, like, are you afraid of breaking something?
Huh?
Are you afraid they're gonna break something? We're okay. Even if they accused us, I would just say, check me. Check me. Look at these mushrooms. Okay, I know I'm getting closer to the bok choy. Okay. Ooh, there's some mint, chives. What's this? They do. Bok choy. Where is it? Ooh, here's the baby bok choy. Snack piece look good. Okra. Definitely getting okra. I like the smaller ones. Here it is. There's spinach. These greens look magnificent. The bok choy. If you just saute them, or if you just add them to soups, magic. Literally magic. Eggplant. This has to be, I'm on the hunt for real ginger. Because there's a lot of fake ginger out here. I feel like if it's so smooth, then it's not real. But I don't know, honestly. I have to do more research. Okay, I got what I want, so I just need to.
They got ramen as well as snakes.
That's. Some kind of corn dog. I guess so. So cute. I really want to try some of these pastries or the dumplings.
Yeah, sauce.
Or make our own. Don't know which one. Oh, what about sesame balls? We gotta find some of those. You remember having that with Hassan?
Well, yeah, actually.
There was like a red bean ball that was really good. That's true. God, look at the jackfruit. It's definitely right.
That's okay.
The jackfruit.
Oh,
This is probably like $50. Smell it. It smells good. That's how you know it's right. Bananas. So cute. Okay, let's just go get the sugarcane juice to see if they have any. And this is where the good stuff is, all the way in the back. Look at that. Wait. I need to buy one of these machines. Look at the watermelons in the back.
there he is.
This is the sugarcane. Are these the sesame balls? Let me see that.
No.
Girl, look at this. Holding McDonald's. You don't even know. Is it holding McDonald's? Goodness. He's cleaning it off.
Why do you order the big?
Because so it has a lot of juice. Yummy. Mm-hmm.